Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll be explaining you your Google Wi-Fi provisioner, what does it do and how to use it and how can you set up easily. Step 1, underlining what it does. Automate secure connection. It securely shares carrier network credentials to connect you to verified hotspots automatically. Manages security profiles. It updates passpoint like hotspot 2.0 encryption certificates silently in the background to protect you from spoofed networks. Optimizes battery and data. It seamlessly hands off your connection from cellular data to a strong Wi Fi tower, saving your mobile data allowance. Step 2, how to use and enable it. You can open your phone configurations, navigate to the primary settings app on your Android or Pixel device, locate app settings, tap on apps, select see all apps, and then tap the three dots in the top right corner to select show system. Find the provisioner. Scroll down the alphabetical list and tap on Google Wi-Fi provisioner. Grant location access. Tap on permissions and ensure location is set to allow only while using the app. Step 3, troubleshooting setup issues and disconnections. Force stop the service. Open the Google Wi-Fi provisioner system app info page using the navigation route from step 2. Tap Force Stop. Select Force Stop to completely kill the active background configuration routine. Wipe cached data. Tap on Storage and Cache inside the app details page and select Clear Cache. Perform a network reboot. Go back to main settings, click on System and then go to Reset Options. Go to Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth to clear out any corrupted connection profiles. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.